Hello everybody, today we make a potato salad. I got the potato already, I cook already. I got shallot, garlic, caper, caperi. I got anchovy, olive, olives, tomato, pomodori, tomato. Oregano, this is my oregano. Every year I'm making my fresh oregano. Salt, oil, vinegar, black pepper, I got parsley. This is from my garden. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we gotta start to chop everything. We got a little small garlic and I got the shallot. But this garlic look like really big. I cut in half and now I do bang. And this too. And now okay, look how beautiful this garlic smells, so good. Okay, now it's the time of the shallot. It look nice, this shallot. Now we gotta cut this shallot nice thin slice. Got the salad, it got a delicious taste. And this is the dish. We put everything over here. Look at that. Okay, now the garlic and the shallot is done. Now we put the anchovy. Anchovy. Acciughe. This in Italian, acciughe, anchovy. And we take out, and look at this. I don't use the oil, got the oil and the anchovy, it's too strong. And we put this on the side. Now we got olives, calamata, olive, and put over here. It's so easy to make this salad. It's easy to make, but it not take no time to eat. It goes so fast when you eat it. It's so delicious. Caperi, caper. And this done too. And we give a little mix, little bit like this. They take the anchovy, they put it all the way different place, like that. Okay, now we start with the potato too. This we cut this in a half, not a half like that, a half. It's so good like this, not too small. Like after, when you mix, you don't want to break everything. And this potato, when you eat this salad, more outside with the barbecue and nice cold beer. Okay, now the potato is done. And let's put it right over here in the same dish together over here. Oh, nice. Look how beautiful color you got this potato. Really beautiful. Okay, now it's done with the potato, and now we gotta do the tomato. Okay, we start with the tomato. I got this little Scooby-Doo. And we see this, we dig a little bit like this. Look at that, look at this. Look how beautiful. Huh? Now we cut the tomato and a half, and we start like this. Look how nice. It go together right over here. Okay, now we put oregano, really good. This it give a, oh, it smells so good, oregano. Look at that, beautiful. This is for the garden. Make sure this is only the flower, no leaves. The leaves for me, it go in the garbage. I use flower only. Okay, now let's chop the parsley. This parsley is so beautiful. Look at the color, nice green. Now, it's so easy to cook. You see this is salad I was make? Try. Easy. It's all. You see the knife? Make sure when you use the knife, you see my finger? You put like this. A lot of people, a chef too, he use the knife, he use like this. The finger on the top. No, it's wrong. The wrong way it's this. Like. Oh boy, it's no good. I like the chop of the finger over here. Like this, keep the knife like that. It look easy go. Okay? Try. After when you try, you say, you know why? I don't want to look at TV. I want to cook. I want to prepare a nice dinner for my wife, for my girlfriend, or for my family. It's really nice when somebody come home and you prepare this dish for everybody. Say, oh boy, he prepared a beautiful dish. He never did it before, but now he do really good job. Try and you like. Look, after you do like this, look, it boom. Okay? All right, now we did the parsley. Okay, now we start the salt. Not too much salt. That's enough. Vinegar. That's enough. Oil. Look at the color of the oil, beautiful. Look at that, look at this, look at this. You got the color of the potato, the same. Okay, black pepper. Okay, now we give a mix, but when you mix, make sure that no squeeze. Mix delicato, delicate, like this, you see? Nice. Okay, you don't want to break the potato, and you don't want to break the tomato. You see the garlic and the onion no break. Now we gotta taste the potato Italia potato salad. But potato salad Italia, and what do you think about this? Birra peroni nastro azzurro. It's so good. Now the potato, the taste. Olive, anchovy, pepper, e the birra peroni nastro azzurro. Salute e cincine everybody. Nice barbecue, a nice cool beer with a beautiful salad. It's delicious. Cincine, salute everybody. A salute! Nice, e va sola a birro. E così saprete fresca. Boy, e come da degree. Cincine, salute again. I'll see you next time. Cin cin!